Good morning, guys. This is how 10 a.m. looks like in Munnar. Well, this is day three in Munnar, guys. Vijay and I have been having an amazing time. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos as well. Now, today we're going to be going to a place called as Vattavada. There is also a place called as Marayur that we can actually go. But both are in two different directions. We will see if we can cover both. But Vattavada is going to be the place where we are going to go today. We're going to fly the drone. We're going to do some vlogs, take some photos, have some food. It's going to be an amazing day today. So, first things first, we just got up. We're going to go have our breakfast, get ready, probably chain clean and chain lube, probably chain lube alone, not probably do the clean, and then fuel up in Munnar, and then we're going to go all the way till Vattavada. It's going to be amazing, guys. Stay tuned. So Vijay is busy prepping up his camera. So he generally has a very continental style breakfast. He's got cornflakes and fruits, just like yesterday. Yeah, he doesn't like to eat dosa or idli or anything that is South Indian probably in the morning. He likes a very good continental style.
Not in the morning, during trips.
During trips, he generally likes to have fruits, which is very nice. But I tend to stick to dosa and vada.
Amukudumuk.
Amukudumuk. So yeah, I mean, I'm traveling after 1 year, so I cannot really say that I've been traveling for a long time to, have continentally. He's been on the road for quite some time. So yeah, let's finish our breakfast. The weather still seems to be bad. There is absolutely nothing that we can see. So we're gonna wait for the weather to clear out a bit, and then we would go to Munnar, fuel up, and then go to Vattavada, right? We're going to Vattavada. Yeah. So we right now are on our way to Munnar, where we'll be fueling up, and then we would be going to Vattavada. The view, as you guys can see, is just mind-blowing. I don't think so you can ever get such a beautiful view. Alright, so this is the dam that we crossed yesterday. It was night pitch dark, so we couldn't see anything. Right now, because of heavy rainfall, it's overflowing. It looks beautiful, man. It looks amazing. I don't think so we can expect much better weather than this. Oh, beautiful, man. The wind is cold. It's not too cold, and it's also not too humid. It's pleasant. Yeah, I am wearing a sweater, but it's not that, I'm not feeling that uneasy. I don't think so I could have expected anything better after taking a long break for about a year, and then now being back on the road. I'm pretty sure you guys will be enjoying this view, these videos as well. Purila ATM எங்க இருக்கு? போடுங்க
பாத்தீங்களா? Name please.
Shashank.
Sasank.
Yes, sir.
Phone number
9176.
Coming from?
Coming from Munnar, going towards Vattavada. Okay. Thank you, sir. Just a casual check. They didn't really ask for our documents at all. They just noted down our details, basic details, and they asked us where we're coming from, where we're going, and then job's done. You give them the information they want, you're good to go. So this is probably the third time that I'm coming to Munnar, but every time I come here, it doesn't cease to impress me in any which way. It's just beautiful, man. Look at the road. Look at how beautiful the team plantation is. It looks like a carpet. Looks like a velvet carpet green velvet carpet. This is just the beginning, man. This is just the beginning. As in, when we climb, it's gonna be even better, even amazing, even beautiful. As long as it doesn't rain, as long as it just stays like this, even if it gets cold, it is fine, because we have our rain liners and insulation layers with us, so that should help us, keep ourselves warm. But if it rains, then it becomes a little bit of an issue. Yeah.
Waking up, I'm feeling good, a little nervous, but I know
The rain has finally stopped for a bit, so we were able to stop, and Vijay back is using his GoPro 360. He's taking some amazing shots here. Well, I don't have a 360. All I can do is probably throw the camera up and catch it, and whatever you get would be a 360. Yeah, so we were feeling so bad that we couldn't talk. We were just showing you guys the view. So finally the rain has stopped. We got the adapter. Look at that. Yeah, okay, done. He's doing some creative shots. It's not easy, guys. It's not easy to travel and at the same point in time, you know, take so many different shots, talk, vlog, drone, and also enjoy, which is the most important thing. So whatever you guys do by putting comments or sharing, it means a lot. It means the world to us. We're about 17 kilometers and we would be reaching Vattavada. The person who at the hotel who takes care of the trekking, he told us that once almost at the verge of reaching Vattavada, you would see these tall trees on the side like these. I think so they're eucalyptus, but I might be wrong. They kind of have the structure of a eucalyptus tree. So he said that you can mount the camera from top to down and you can get the amazing view. So he knew that we were there to vlog and we do videos and stuff. So it's really nice, good to see people helping us out, you know, even going away from what they generally do and then giving us tips to have a good time, document everything. So one of the reasons why I love being you know, when we travel, people really respect what you do, and they also get into the mood of what you are doing. That way you tend to get a sense of you know, a bond that you create with them, and you kind of remember them every time you make memories. So that's the whole point of you know, traveling, right? You make memories. A photo that you take, it's a memory. A video that you take, it's a memory. So a stranger that you meet, you have a good conversation with them, end up becoming a memory. So we're having an amazing time, man. I can't tell you guys how good it is to be back on the road. I'm thankful for everybody who's been there, who still are there, and all the new people who are going to come into this journey. So thank you guys. Stick around. I'm pretty sure you guys will have a lot of fun.
சைமன் சைமன்
சைமன் அங்க பாரு, அங்க பார்த்து பேசு. என்ன படிக்கிறீங்க?
6th
எங்க?
கொண்டிக்காடு.
எங்க இருக்கு அது?
அந்தாங்க.
இங்கயா?
அங்க இது.
அங்கயா?
மூணார்ல வரல.
மூணார்ல இருக்கா? சரி. நல்லா படிப்பியா? ஆ? கை வலிக்குதா?
இல்ல.
ஃப்ரெஷ் கேரட்ஸ் எவ்வளோக்கா அது? 30 rupees. சூப்பர். எங்க க்ரோ பண்றீங்க?
எங்க ஓன் கார்டன்.
ஓன் கார்டன் எங்க இருக்கு?
இங்க கீழே.
கீழயா? Okay, nice. So we've stopped at a small stall. We're gonna have some fresh carrots. It started to drizzle a little bit, but not that much. Take some good B-roll shots. Probably fly the drone because it looks really nice. If it doesn't work out, then it doesn't work out. If it does, then we would fly that, and then we would start going. Vattavada is about 15 kilometers from here, so really not that far. It's getting a little cold. It's getting nice, so we're enjoying the ride. I hope you guys are enjoying the video as well.
I can't believe everything we talk about, sharing all our stories without any doubt. Wearing symbols proudly on my chest, feeling like I belong, don't need to fit in with the rest. I could care less about the games, 'cause I care more about your day. Wherever you are, whoever you are, I hope
கை கொடுக்க கூடாது.
வாங்க, take care. So this is Thank You Visiting in Devikulam. I hope you guys enjoyed the drone shot, guys, because we thoroughly enjoyed shooting, flying the drone and taking some good shots here. We also took loads and loads of photos. We experimented in, the tracking shots and whatnot. It's getting cold. Wow, there's so much of mist in front of us. So yeah, it's always good to travel with somebody who, also enjoys doing what you like to do. So that way it's a win-win situation. So now we still haven't reached Vattavada. We're going to stop somewhere for food. Preferably we will stop where, we'll preferably stop in Vattavada, probably an authentic Kerala restaurant. We're going to have some good meals or whatever is authentic there. And then we're going to head back to Munnar. Tomorrow is going to be an amazing day. Again, one of the best routes that you can do from Munnar is going to be to Thekadi. Can't wait. Cannot wait to do that road. Visibility is 0. But enjoyment is 100%. So we had to do a mandatory registration here, which is right over there. A basic check. They just ask for your vehicle number, phone number, where you're coming from, whether it is visit, and then you can go. That's pretty much it. It's nice. I'm wearing a sweater. I think so that should be fine for this weather right now. But I think so on our return I might have to wear the sweater and rain liner, inside which I'm going to have the insulation layer as well. Pampadam Shola National Park. There was a board written as well there saying that chances of animal crossing is there, so keep an eye on that. Even though I would love to see an animal crossing by, it's not the best of scenes. It might be the best of scenes, but the aftermath of that I don't think so would be the best of scenes. So what a lovely place, man. The weather is also amazing. This is something that I wanted to do for a long time. Hug your knees closer to the radiator panel, hold the throttle and just keep going. ஸ்ட்ராபெரி ஃபார்ம் எங்கே இருக்கு? எவடா? பைக் விட்டுட்டு தான் போகணுமா? நடந்து தான் போகணுமா? உன் பேர் என்ன? வண்டினை பிடிக்குமா? ரெஸ்க்குங்க. சரி, யூட்டர்ன் எடுத்துடலாமா? So we are not going to Vattavada. I mean, we've just reached Vattavada. We're going to get back. Not too many hotels here, and it's just too crowded. We are a little, we are cautious. We are a little scared as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the same route back home, head to Munnar. We're going to do all of the packing. We're going to have our dinner. It's going to be a fun time. Today is going to be the last day wherein we stay in Fragrant Nature. A beautiful place, man. Again, I mean, not just because of the obvious reason, but we really had an amazing time. எனக்கு 2 பரோட்டா முட்டை கறி சார் வந்துட்டோம். Okay, so we have finally reached the place wherein you connect towards Vattavada, and behind me is the route towards Munnar. Time is about 5:15. We've been having an amazing time. We can't see shit in this entire route. It's going to be like this for the next 5 kilometers or so. Vijay has just gone out. Oh, he's here. Speak of the devil and he shall appear. So we're going to have some food. Then we're going to get back to Munnar, pack our things, and then tomorrow it's going to be Thekadi. For the next 2 days we're going to be staying in Thekadi. guys, the time is 7:30 right now when we are back to the room. Fragrant Nature, if you get a chance to visit Munnar, then Fragrant Nature should be the place where you stay. Today we rode from Munnar to Vattavada. It's about 40 to 45 kilometers, and we rode about close to 100 kilometers today. But we felt really contented with the entire short trip that we did today, because we stopped wherever we wanted to fly the drone, to take photos, to vlog, to eat, to just to have chat with the locals there. It was just amazing. And also the fact that from here you go to top station, which is going to be Tamil Nadu, and then right now we're in Munnar, Kerala. You go up to top station, it's going to be Tamil Nadu. Then you get down, it's again going to be Kerala. So that was something really nice. And the roads were okayish. We had a mix of everything. There was a little bit of sunlight, loads of mist, bad roads, good roads, no roads, rain, heavy rain, and sometimes even drizzling. So it was a mix of everything. It was really nice. We had a lot of fun. There has been something that I have been thinking really hard, and it is that I want to switch to completely Tamil. I want to make videos in Tamil going forward, but I will make sure that the quality doesn't degrade, not even one bit. Whatever I've been delivering by doing videos in English is still going to be there, but it's just that the language is going to be in Tamil. You guys know the reason why I'm doing that. I don't think so I need to explicitly tell you guys why I'm doing that, but that is something that is running through my mind. Don't be surprised if the next video that is going to come, wherein we ride from Munnar to Thekadi, is going to be completely in Tamil, and even the remaining videos as well, which is going to be in Tamil. So because the maximum comment that I get in the videos that I put is that you guys want me to do it in Tamil, so I will do it in Tamil, but at the same point in time I expect you guys to show the same amount of love and support that I've been getting. So yeah, the room is a mess right now. Vijay is packing all of the things in the other room, so I'm gonna go there, complete the packing, and get ready for Thekadi, which is going to be tomorrow. The itinerary for tomorrow, we'll keep it for tomorrow when we get ready in the morning. But for now, that is pretty much it. I'm really having an amazing time riding Fika. Good to be back on the road, and I hope you guys are enjoying as well. So thank you so much for taking time and watching this video. If you have any comments, suggestions, or queries, do put it in the comment section. I respond to it almost to everybody. Almost all the comments I reply to. So don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is going to be Instagram/Madras Motorheads. If this is the first time that you're stopping by, do like, do share, and also subscribe to the channel. So take care, guys. Thank you so much. Stay safe, ride hard, and always remember, when life gives you problems, you twist the damn throttle.